Hi guys, today we are going to see few exam question based on tangent and normal. And in my previous video, I have explained you what is equation of tangent, that is given here y minus y1 equal to dy by dx, x minus x1. And equation of normal is y minus y1, that is minus dx over dy. So this is negative reciprocal and x minus x1. And I have also mentioned, I have given stress on one point, that never ever touch x and y, always put point at x1 and y1. Yeah, so never ever touch x1, x and y, because they are x's. We always replace x1 and y1. These are the points. So let's quickly see the question. Here is a question. The curve C has the equation y x plus 3x minus 8 divided by x, and find the equation of tangent to C at the point where x is 5. Yeah, so this is x is equal to 5 and we need to calculate tangent here. So if you expand here from y is equal to x plus 3 to expand x plus 3x minus 8, then you get this. So x squared divided by x, so we have got this equation. So let's differentiate it here. If we are going to differentiate it, y is equal to x minus 5, so we get dy over dx. Differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 5 is 0, this minus 24, this minus 1 is coming forward, so let's write down in a bracket, and it is x to the power minus 2. So this we can write down 1 plus 24 over x square. This minus and this minus turn into positive. Yeah, so we always calculate dy by dx at point. So point is given x is equal to 5. So let's calculate dy by dx at x is equal to 5. So we are not considering y here, but we definitely need y. So we'll calculate in the next step because there is only x. So let's write down 1 plus 24. X is 5, that is 5 square 25. If we solve that, so we get 25 plus 24 over 25, that is 49 over 25. Okay, now we need to calculate y. So how we can calculate y? If you put x is equal to 5 here, if you put x is equal to 5 in this equation, yeah, if you put x is equal to 5 in this equation, then we get y. So let's quickly do it. So 5 square, that is 25. I'm doing mental calculation, so it will be minus 8 times 5 minus 40 plus 15 minus 24 divided by 5. Yeah, and if we do 25 minus 40 plus 15 minus 24, so we get minus 15 plus 15 minus 24 over 5, and this thing is cancelled out, so we are left with minus 24 over 5. So this is why. So now what will be equation of tangent? As I said, never ever touch x and y because they are axes. So let's do it. Y, no need to touch. What is y1? Y1 is minus 24 over 5. If you put minus, this minus and minus becomes plus. So let's write down 24 over 5. Dy by dx at x, this asterisk one, yeah. So it is 49 over 25, and never touch x, always touch x1. So x1 is 5. So we have got this. So if we simplify, so it will be 5y plus 24 over 5, and this is 49 over 25 and x minus 5. And you can always cancel this 5 times 1 and 5 times 5. Yeah, so if you multiply 5 with whole bracket, that is 5y plus 24 and 49 here, then this equation comes, that is 25y plus 120 equal to 49x minus 49 times 5, that is 245, and we can arrange it here. So our final answer will be 49x minus 25y plus 120 is going that side, that will be minus 120, and minus 120 and minus 245, if you add, it will be minus 365 equal to 0. So this is our equation of tangent here. Nice and easy. So remember, you are not touching x and y. So this is your answer. Let's quickly go for the next question. That is here. So here it is given a given equation of equation of curve. Sorry, it is given y is equal to x minus 1, x square minus 4. And you need to find the here is given point P10 and Q is shown in the figure above here. So write down the x coordinate of P and x coordinate of Q. Yeah. So please pause the video, have a go. If you cannot do it, you can always come back and see my working and learn from here. Okay, so do a part and then you need to calculate dy by dx in second part. Please pause the video, have a go. Welcome back. If you have tried these questions, so let's see one by one. All four parts, there are four parts A, B, C, D. Let's see one by one. So we need to calculate x coordinates of P and x coordinate of Q. So we know we can write down this equation like y is equal to x minus 1 and x square minus 4. We can write down like this, x minus 2 and x plus 2. Why? Because we know that a square minus b square is a minus b and a plus b. So x square minus 2 square, you can write down x minus 2 and x plus 2. Okay, so if you put x minus 1 equal to 0, you got x is equal to 1. Here you got x is equal to 2, and here you got x is equal to minus 2. So this will be definitely minus 2, this q will be 2, and this is 1 already given here. So let's write down minus 1 1 and 2. So p is, let's write down here. So p we got, I have shown you working. So p is minus 2 and q is 2. Okay, now you need to calculate dy by dx equal to 3x square. So if you simplify, this is y is equal to x minus 1 and x square minus 4. Yeah, if you simplify this, multiply, then you get x cube minus 4x minus x square and plus 4. Yeah, if you differentiate it dy by dx, then you get 3x square here, and this is minus 4 and this will be minus 2x. Yeah, so that is your B part. Yeah, now C part is show that y is equal to x plus 1 is equation of tangent. So basically you need to calculate equation of tangent here. Yeah, so equation of tangent formula, y minus y1 equal to dy by dx x minus x1. Yeah, so this is our formula if you remember. Okay, so this is our equation, y minus y1 dy by dx x minus x1. So we are going here to solve. So let's calculate dy by dx at point 1, minus 1 and 6. So let's calculate dy by dx at minus 1 and 6, because you need to calculate tangent at this point. So it will, this point will be somewhere here because it is 2 minus 2, so 2 will be somewhere here. So tangent will be somewhere here like this here. Okay, so if you calculate minus, so it will be, if you put value, so 3 minus 1 square minus 4 minus 2 minus 1, and we simplify it, then we get 1. So dy by dx is 1. So equation of tangent, so we need to calculate y value. Yeah, so y minus y1, so y1 is 6 and x1 is this one. So this is our x1 y1. So y minus 6 equal to 1 and x minus, and this is minus 1, bracket close. So if you solve it, y minus 6 is equal to x plus 1, and we got y equal to x plus 7. That is equation of a tangent. Now find the exact coordinate of r. Now see, this is really important. R is parallel to the tangent here. So this tangent will be somewhere here somewhere which is parallel. So parallel tangent, they share the same gradient here. So we need to find the exact coordinates of R. So we know for parallel line it is M1 equal to M2, right? If lines are parallel, then let me draw a line here. So M1 equal to M2. M1 for the first line is this gradient, that is 3x square. Yeah. So let's equate it. 3x square minus 4 minus 2x. And another line, that gradient is 1. So this is coming here 1. Yeah. So if you solve this, so we get factorize 3x square minus 2x minus 5, uh, 3x square minus 2x minus 5, and we factorize it, then we get 3x minus 5 and x plus 1, that is equal to 0. So we got x equal to 5 by 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Because if tangent is parallel, so definitely we are taking this point, x is equal to 5 over 3. So let's put x is equal to 5 over 3 in the equation. And what was our equation? Our equation was this one. Yeah, this is our equation. If we go back and see, this is our equation, y is equal to x1. So if we put x is equal to 5 over 3 here, 5 over 3 here, then what it comes? Now see here. So it will be y equal to, let me change the ink so that it can differentiate. So it will be 5 by 3 minus 1, and then it will be 5 by 3 square, and then minus 4 bracket close. If we simplify this, so it will be 2 by 3, and it will be, if you simplify, then it will be minus 11 over 9, and multiply, then it will be minus 22 over 27. So our points are x is these are the coordinates here. So minus 22 over 7 and this one. So I hope you are understanding. So what was, find the exact coordinates of R. So what will be the exact coordinates of R? Any idea? So x is 5 over 3. Yeah. Correspond to this 5 over 3, you got minus 22 over 27. So this is your answer, exact coordinates of this. Yeah. So I hope you must have understood. Remember, here both the gradients are same, m1 equal to m2. So one m1 you are getting from here, that is 3x square minus 4 minus 2x, and another gradient is 1 because they both are sharing the same gradient. Lines are parallel. That's all. Thanks for watching, and thank you very much. Bye bye.